So ito po yung aming service bay. So we have 6 motorcycle service bay. As you can see, meron kaming mga big bikes na for service, but we also accept naman scooters and other motorcycle brands. Doon naman kami nagbabike wash ng bike, but as you can see, sobrang dami lang po kasi namin ngayon ng motorcycles na for service. We also have a detailing which is powered by Elevate Detailing. So here we do our ceramic coating, our detailing. We also have bikes that are available. So we have this Indian Scout, and then we also have this Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. We also have Vespa unit. Hi guys, this is Rita and welcome to Royal Moto Club Philippines. So we are located here along 10th Avenue, Caloocan Corner, 4th Street. No? If you're wondering bakit siya Royal Moto Club, because it's a membership club. However, we also accept walk-ins. So open din kami sa non-members. Pero yung mga members kasi namin, they get perks and privileges. So they get freebies. They also get discounts on certain items and services. So, etong shop namin, we just opened last August 6. So, third month pa lang namin. But so far, so good naman. And yung hub kasi namin, it's a one-stop shop. So, we have a showroom. We also have recreational activities such as billiard. We also have a cafe which offers full set of menu. Plus, we also have service bay. So, sa service bay namin, we cater to big bikes, small bikes, minor, major services. We also have an upcoming dyno room. So sa lahat ng mga gustong magpa-remap, magpa-tuning ng motorcycles, we'll be opening that soon. And we also have PPF, what else? Ceramic coating, bike wash. So it's really a one-stop shop. But yun nga. So for members lang, so we're open naman kahit naka-small bike or big bike ka, pwedeng-pwede kang magpa-member dito sa Royal Moto Club. Okay, so we also have bikes that are available. So we have this Indian Scout, and then we also have this Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. We also have Vespa unit. So yun, sa mga gustong bumili ng bikes, multi-brands naman. Sorry, we also have the Ducati Multistrada V4. Tapos tour ko kayo sa aming service area. Yan. So ito po yung aming service bay. So we have 6 motorcycle service bay. As you can see, meron kaming mga big bikes na for service, but we also accept naman scooters and other motorcycle brands. Now, this is our engine room. So, dito sa engine room namin, dito kami nagbabaklas or nagbababa ng mga makina. So, we have a specific room for that. Para at least kasi, pag nagbababa tayo ng makina, yung mga parts, tendency nawawala. So that's why we have a specific area para at least lahat ng parts ng motorcycle mo, we make sure na it's intact. It's just in one place. And ito kasi medyo we're still fixing this. Medyo madilim pa siya. But this is going to be our dyno room. So dito ka pwede magpa-remap and then magpa-tono or magpa-tuning ng motorcycle mo para malaman mo yung maximum performance of your bike. We also have a detailing which is powered by Elevate Detailing. So here we do our ceramic coating, our detailing after you bike wash your motorcycle. Yan, so doon naman kami nagbabike wash ng bike, but as you can see, sobrang dami lang po kasi namin ngayon ng motorcycles na for service. So, but yun, every day naman po, we're open from Mondays to Sundays. That's from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Again, this is Rika of MotoKonek and of course of Royal Moto Club Philippines. Please feel free to drop by here at the Royal Moto Club along 10th Avenue, corner 4th Street. So we're open from Mondays to Sundays. from 8:30 to 5:30 p.m. So hope to see you here.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm